Welcome to Optimisation by Oliver, episode number 83. I can't believe we've been doing this for 83 episodes. I hope you're enjoying the series. If you are, please make sure you comment below. Let me know you want to keep going, smash the likes up, and make sure you subscribe so you can see the future ones. So this series is where I pick brands that sell millions of products online each year, and I show you firsthand exactly what I would do if they hired my agency, ConversionWise, to optimize their store. I'm going to get straight into the before and afters, but it's very, very important to mention all of these things would be tested, A/B tested or ABC tested, and that's exactly what my agency ConversionWise does. So if you need help optimizing your store with CRO or landing pages, get in touch at ConversionWise.com. Let's start with the homepage. You can see the before design, the control, the version that Blue Nile are currently using. It's not the worst, but there are definitely some fundamental flaws. What we've done is, first and foremost, point number one, we have added this product bar that sits just below the navigation. Now, this is a really good way to entice first-time buyers through to specific products. I would sort these products via revenue per session, and then you're more likely to convert a cold consumer into a buyer because you remove any decision making and put the product in front of them for them. You make that decision for them. Secondly, we've picked what I feel is a much better image. It showcases the product a little bit clearer. It's very clear that we sell jewelry as opposed to their image, which is a bit zoomed out. It doesn't really focus on the jewelry, and I think our product would be a lot stronger. Number three, we've added all important social proof. Yeah, I don't care how big these brands are, they still need social proof. It still works. Stars, mention how many people and happy customers they've served, and it's gonna tick that box. Number four, I think we've gone with a much clearer and punchier headline supported by that description. And number five, most importantly, we've removed these two buttons. You can see on their design, they have two buttons. All this does is create overload in the consumer's brain. We don't know where to click. Instead, have one direct call to action that takes them through to the bestsellers or the collection pages. And also, we've just optimized that above the fold section. On theirs, you've got this big white space, you've got a horrible chat icon, you've got a horrible pop-up on the left, and it just confuses people. Page number two, the all-important product page. And again, some subtle changes here. I think these tests would definitely be worth running for Blue Nile. If they're not doing A/B testing or CRO, they should be. And we start with point number one, taking that 1, 2, 3 step, which is very important in the case of custom jewelry. We've worked with a lot of jewelry brands. We get amazing results. But I think you could actually just do that in a more subtle way, a bit higher up, which gives you a little bit more real estate above the fold to play with. Point number two is we've just used a pill on the product image itself to further elevate and showcase that we are offering free shipping on all products. Number three, same as the homepage, social proof. Always use it, always do it. I don't care how big the brand is, it works, it converts, it's needed. And then number four, you can see that because we have more real estate, we're able to get way more above the fold when people load on your landing page. It's really important to do this because then people have a very clear overview without scroll of the value proposition and exactly what this product is. We can now have social proof. We now have the title, we have a description, we have the price point of the product, and we also have that first selection of exactly what variant of the SKU people want. It's really important to get that above the fold so you can get people taking action and then scrolling down to purchase. On page number three, again, some subtle changes here, but ones I think would really, really work for these guys. I think they're doing a lot right, but I think they're doing a lot wrong. We start with gamifying that in-cart experience, making sure that we have a notice bar that flashes up saying we have qualified for that free shipping. You could take this one step further and gamify average order value increases by having a free gift or something. Point number two, we then just reduced this in-cart widget, I guess, of what the product is. It doesn't need to be this big. You shouldn't make people scroll to find the continue to checkout button. It needs to be clear, a nice UX UI for people, and this is how we've done it. Which again just brings me on to point number three. Because we saved that space, you now have really important elements above the fold within the cart. You don't have to scroll. You've got the continue to checkout button, and it's anchored by the free shipping and returns callouts. As I mentioned at the start of this video, I would be A/B testing all of these tests. I don't think it's fair just to blindly implement complete design updates. That's what our agency does. If you need help with A/B testing CRO or landing pages, hit us up at ConversionWise.com. Let me know what you think of these transformations in the comments. Do you think they would increase revenue per session or decrease? And make sure you hit subscribe and join me in the very next video.